The Accord X sedan with power boost of a 3.0-liter, 244 horsepower V6 will make you smile every place you go and give you the respect that you need for this beautiful car. The driver and front passenger notice the plushness right away when they sit in leather-trimmed heated seats, which can even be nice on not-so-cold days for those who experience back pain. The steering wheel is a pleasure to grip, as it is wrapped in perforated leather. Driver and passenger will be assured of their personal comfort with the dual-zone auto climate control, but that's not to say they won't argue about what channel to tune into on the included XM satellite radio. Other equipment on RXL includes air conditioning with air filtration, a security system, a power moonroof, and cruise control. Please call and ask for Spencer Gardner for more information or special pricing.